Hi guys, it's Dylan here at Jordanbikes, and today we have this absolutely stunning VFR800F for sale. This one's a 2015 on a 15 plate, 11,250 miles from new. We sold it once before and we're very happy to be selling it again. They're a fantastic bike of these. They've got LED lights front and back. Just turn off the hazard lights. And this one as well, if you want to have a little close look up here, you might see these little lines around the place. The entire bike, top to bottom, is covered in a clear vinyl wrap to protect it against stone chips and things like that. All the panniers are covered, the back of the bike here is covered, the tank, everywhere, top to bottom, is protected. As I mentioned, you've got 3 box luggage on this bike, you've got factory fitted heater grips, and you've also got a centre stand as well. All the boxes are Honda, so they all work with the same key as the ignition. And whilst you're there, I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen. It's a 800cc V4. Coming over the top, I'll just show you the display there. These bikes have got traction control and ABS, and you can turn your traction off with this button here. And of course, just pointing there, you've got your factory heated grips. So like I mentioned, a fantastic bike in very good condition for its year. If you do fancy it, please do give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.